Morning students, how are you? Okay, so today we are going to start our next exercise, that is 5.3. And before this exercise we already studied 5.1 and 5.2. In 5.1 you studied that what are APs and how to find the next terms, first term and common difference. And in 5.2 you learn about that how to find a specific number of terms if the AP is given, or if you have given specific terms, then how to find the APs. And also you found there that how to find the first term, common difference, all these things you found in your exercise 5.2. And now in this 5.3 we are going to learn that if we want to find the sum of given AP, then for that how we will find them. Before starting, we have to know or remember the formula which we used to find the sum of an AP, and the formula is right here. So the formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula to find the sum of n terms. This is the formula to find the sum of an AP of n terms for this one. In the same way, we have one more formula to find the sum of an AP, and that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket a plus an. You can say an also, or you can say l also. L means here last term. An and l both are same thing. So here can be L or here can be AN also. So these are the two formula which we will use for finding the sum in an given any AP. So let's start. Now if I have a question like I have an AP, and that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. No and is there, so I can say I have this is AP, and my question is to find the sum of this AP up to 20 terms. So here is 20 terms. ठीक है, 20 terms तक आपने sum find out करना है. So for finding the sum up to 20 terms, we will apply our formula out of these two, and we will see which formula you can apply here for solving these for finding the sum for this given AP. So if you see, if you have AP, then you know two things automatically. One is first term, and the first term is 5, and the other thing that is common difference, and that is D is equal to 10 minus 5 means 5. So your common difference will be 5 and your first term will be also 5. Now after this, and we also know in this one thing we also knows, and that is terms. Here is word terms, means you know the value of n. तो आपको n की वैल्यू पता लग जाती है, and that is 20. n की वैल्यू 20 है. Now you can see which formula you can apply, first or second. See, yes, first formula we will apply, because if you apply the second formula you need what? N. Yes, that we have. So next A, that also we have, and the second is an या L means last term या nth term, and that we have not. So it means we have to apply here formula number first. तो आप इसमें formula first apply करेंगे, because in this formula we know n, we know A first term and common difference also. So all these three things we have, so we can apply formula first. So let's start. So for this one, Sn, the value of n is 20. So S20 means sum up to 20 terms. So S20 will be equal to n. The value of n is here 20 upon 2, and then bracket 2 multiply A. A value is 5 plus n is 20 minus 1 and multiply d, and the value of d is also 5. So now you can say this is cancelled. अगर ये cancel होगा तो आप कीजिए, अगर नहीं हो रहा तो leave it as it is. ठीक है? So I cancel it, it become 11, and here is 10 and plus 19 into 5. 20 में से आप 1 माइनस करेंगे 19 and 19 into 5. So 11, 10 plus, now multiply it, it become 19. Got it? So after this 11 into, will add this 2, so it become 105, and now multiply 11 with 105, so you will get 11 5s are 55 and 11 1s are 11. So this will be the sum of 20 terms of given this AP. So like this students, you can find the sum of any terms. If you have given number of terms, if you have given first term, if you have given common difference, then you can apply the formula number first. This formula you can apply and you can find the sum of that AP. Okay. Now next we will start next type, and for that one so now I have a question that like I have AP 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on, and I have given last term. I'm writing here that it is 120. So I have 120. I didn't write here, and also one thing, here can be plus also. Here can be plus also, like this one. And the question is that you have to find the sum of these terms. So obviously it is clear from the AP that you know the value of A, and it is 3, and value of B, that is 6 minus A will be also 3, and this, अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखें, I write here plus 120. I didn't write here 120 terms. So अगर ये terms नहीं है, इसका मतलब ये n नहीं है आपका. This is at the last, और इसके पीछे कोई terms मैंने word use नहीं किया है. It means ये आपका n नहीं है. This is your last term, or you can say nth term. Both are same thing. So I will write here it as nth term, and that is 1. Got it? So I know the nth term, not 120 as terms. Terms नहीं मुझे पता है. 120 जो है that is your nth term है. So nth term is that. So this is we are finding here nth term. तो आपने इसमें nth term आपको given है. So we will find here what? C. Before putting all these values in the formula, you see, check that is everything is given in your formula. So first, if we are finding Sn, आपने sum ही पता करना है. We are finding here Sn, sum of terms पता करना है. तो मुझे देखो A की वैल्यू पता है, good. A की वैल्यू पता है, that's also good. And An मुझे पता है, तो आप ऑब्वियसली इस वाले फॉर्म में मूव करेंगे. But if you see carefully, we don't know n. आपको n नहीं पता है. It means our first target is to find the n. आपने n find करना है, and n that you already learn how to find n in your last exercise, which I told you also. So how to find n? Let's see. Again, value of an is equal to a plus n minus 1. तो आप पहले ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे जो आपने लास्ट टाइम अप्लाई भी किया था. You apply this formula first. So the value of an is 120 and a is 3 plus n आपने फाइंड करना है, and value of b is 3. So 120 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. When you subtract, it becomes 170. That is equal to n minus 1 upon 3. So when you cancel 170 with 3, so it becomes 3 2 3 3 9 and 3 9 27. So the n is 39 plus 1 and it be your 40. It means आपको n पता लग गया है. Your n is 40. After this you find the n. Now you can apply the formula number second. आप फर्स्ट भी लगा सकते हो. अगर आप फर्स्ट भी लगोगे तो फर्स्ट के अकॉर्डिंग मुझे सब कुछ पता है, a पता है, n पता है, d पता है. You can apply first formula as well as you can apply second formula. But before that you have to find out the n. आपको n find out करना पड़ेगा अगर आपको nth term given है on that case. So now let's start. We are going to find the sum. So I am finding sum up to 40 terms. आपका n कितना है? 40 है. So sum of 40 terms will be equal to 40 upon 2 and then the value of a is b and plus an is my 1. और I use the formula second. आप फर्स्ट भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं बट आई एम यूजिंग here for the second. So you can see this cancel 20. So 20 multiplied it becomes 123. Now multiplied 0 to 6 to the 4 to 1. So this is the sum of 40 terms of the given AP. So like this student you can find the sum if you have given the nth term. ठीक है, तो आपको nth टर्म गिवन है तो पहले आपने सबसे पहले उसमें n फाइंड करना है. इस बात का बेटे प्लीज़ ध्यान रखेंगे. आपने पहले उस क्वेश्चन में n फाइंड आउट करना है एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल अप्लाई योर फार्मूला ऑफ सम. आप सम का फार्मूला अप्लाई. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज in third question of your exercise 5.3, in that one you have given already, it is mentioned in the question that a given होगा, d given हो सकता है, n given हो सकता है, वो आपसे sn पूछ सकता है, an पूछ सकता है और मे बी an given होगा आपको, a given होगा. मतलब ऐसे आपको जो टर्म्स इनमें से कुछ भी आपको given होगा और anything they can ask from you. So for that one, like start for this one. If I have given an is equal to 40 and d is equal to 4 and they are asking and your n is 10, so they are asking that find a. आपने a फाइंड करना है एंड आल्सो x. ठीक है, तो अगर आपने ये फाइंड कर, ठीक है, ऐसे आपको गिवन हो सकता है a n गिवन है, d गिवन है, n गिवन है. a आपने पता करना है और आपको इसमें एस एन ही जो है वो फाइंड करना है. तो आपको ये अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए कि आपने एस एन फाइंड करना है. उसका फॉर्मूला आपका n अपॉन 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 और दूसरा जो हम लगाते हैं एस एन इक्वल टू n अपॉन 2 a प्लस an एंड थर्ड फॉर्मूला an इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1. तो ये आपके 3 फॉर्मूले हैं जो इस पूरे चैप्टर में यूज़ होते हैं. तो हम इसमें कौन सा फॉर्मूला पहले लगाएंगे ये हमें देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इसी में आपको चाहे एस एन वाला भी लगाना पड़ सकता है, इसी में ए एन वाला भी लगाना पड़ सकता है. फॉर दैट वन आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. तो अगर मैं देखता हूँ मुझे गिवन है ए एन, nth टर्म गिवन है, एस एन तो मैंने फाइंड करना है. तो अगर मैंने एस एन फाइंड कर तो मैं एस एन वाला फॉर्मूला पहले यूज़ करूँगा ही. मुझे ए एन गिवन है, सो आई विल अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ए एन. So first we will apply the formula of an. So the an is a plus n minus 1. an given is 40. a आपने फाइंड करना है. n is 10 minus 1 into d is 4. So 40 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 9 into 4. 40 is equal to a plus 9 36 and Now subtract it. 40 minus 36 will be A. So the value of A is 4. So you can see the value of A we have now already got. A की वैल्यू 4 है. Now we are going to find the Sn. तो अब आपने इसमें Sn का फॉर्मूला निकालना, ठीक है. तो जब भी सब आप ये देखो, जो आपको अननोन वेरिएबल्स जो हमें नहीं पता वो फाइंड करने ये पहले चेक कीजिए कि कौन सा फॉर्मूला पहले लगने वाला है, ठीक है. तो इस तरीके से आपने जैसे मैंने अब A की वैल्यू फाइंड कर ली है. नाउ वी विल अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला ऑफ S, ठीक है, क्योंकि S के लिए मुझे सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए था. सो Sn इज इक्वल टू, आप दोनों से कोई सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं बिकॉज वी नो बोथ थिंग. सो अप्लाई सेकंड फॉर्मूला A प्लस Sn. n कितना मेरे पास है 10. सम ऑफ टर्म 10 टर्म्स आपने फाइंड आउट करना है. तो इनसे मेरे 10/2 A. The value of A is 4 प्लस an अब आपका कितना है 40. 5 into 44, 5 4 20, 5 4 20 and 20. So this is the sum of 10 terms for this one, ठीक है. So like this students, you can solve your question number 3rd and of your exercise NCERT exercise 5.3. If you have problem for any question of these, you may ask me anytime. Thank you students. Hope you have learned today's lecture also, and you can do your sums of exercise 5.3 first, second and third, because in this video I explained question number 1, 2 and 3. So you can watch the video carefully and you can do your sums of your NCERT book, and I hope you definitely get your answers. Thank you students.